Welcome to Cyber, the place where hacking meets ethics. In this video, we're going to break down what ethical hacking really is, why it's important, and exactly how you, as a beginner, can start learning it the right way. Let's dive in. So, what is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking means hacking legally with permission to find and fix security flaws before bad actors can exploit them. Think of it like checking all the doors and windows of a house not to break in, but to make sure no one else can. Ethical hackers are the digital bodyguards of today's world. They test systems, websites, and networks for weaknesses, and help organizations fix those weaknesses before it's too late. In short, ethical hackers are cybersecurity professionals who use their skills to protect, not attack. Now let's talk about the types of hackers. There are three main types. Chold white hat hackers, the good guys, like you. Chold black hat hackers, criminals who hack to steal or destroy. Chold gray hat hackers. They fall somewhere in the middle. As an ethical hacker, you'll wear the white hat using your skills responsibly, legally, and with purpose. So, why does ethical hacking matter? Every day, companies face cyber attacks, data breaches, and system takeovers. Hackers can steal personal data, bank info, or even shut down entire services. This is why ethical hackers are in high demand to stay one step ahead of the bad guys. And here's the cool part. Ethical hacking is not just useful, it's also a high-paying career. Cybersecurity jobs are growing fast, and the average ethical hacker can make 70 to 130 or more per year, depending on skills and experience. Now, let's look at what ethical hackers actually do. Your main tasks as an ethical hacker will include scanning systems for weaknesses, performing penetration tests, aka ethical attacks, reporting bugs and helping developers fix them, staying up to date with the latest hacking tools and techniques. Sounds cool, right? But how do you start as a beginner? Here are the top 5 skills you'll need to become a successful ethical hacker. 1. IDB. Basic networking concepts. Learn how the Internet, IPs, DNS, and ports work. 2. Linux OS and commands. Most tools run on Linux, especially Kali Linux 3 or Cybersecurity fundamentals, firewalls, encryption, and system protection. 4. Hacking tools. Get hands-on with tools like Nmap, Metasploit, Burp Suite 5. Sure, scripting languages. Start with Python or Bash for automation and custom scripts. Now let's go over your step-by-step learning roadmap. Step 1. Learn basic networking and how systems connect online. Step 2. Get comfortable using Linux, especially Kali Linux. Step 3. Study how websites and applications work. Step 4. Practice your skills legally on platforms like TryHackMe or Hack the Box. Step 5. Prepare for certifications like CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker, or OSCP. But here's something very important. Ethical hacking is legal only when you have permission. Never test or attack any website, network, or system unless it's yours, or you've been given written permission. Unauthorized hacking is illegal and can get you in serious trouble. So always follow the rules and stay ethical. Alright, let's wrap this up. In this video, you've learned Paulo what ethical hacking is, Paulo why it's important, Paulo what skills and tools you need, Paulo and how you can start your journey as a beginner. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because in the next video, we'll walk you through how to install and use Kali Linux step by step.